Having effective controls for managing access to key systems is reason enough for automating your access controls. But you also want to stop fraud, mitigate risk, and protect your assets. Not just in SAP, but across all applications in your cloud ecosystem. ERP Maestro's award-winning access control suite goes beyond compliance, giving you visibility into and protection against risks. You'll get cost and time savings using Access Analyzer, but most importantly, you can prove accuracy and completeness. Without automation, other approaches just fail. So not only is automation the only way to effectively manage your access controls, it's also more cost-effective than trying to do it yourself. Just add up the employee time, the likelihood of errors, the back and forth with IT to pull the right data. It adds up quickly. And now, with SAP S/4HANA and the move to more cloud applications outside of the ERP digital core, it's time to make sure your access controls are connected across all your systems. So starting with Access Analyzer for SuccessFactors, ERP Maestro gives you multi-application access controls so that you have an enterprise-wide view of risk in one intuitive dashboard. You really need to think beyond protecting just your ERP against risks. Want to learn more about our lineup of supported systems? Contact us today.